Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to allow camera and microphone permissions in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots there, which is your menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu that appears, locate and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can customize how your browser behaves and manages different features. The settings page is your control center for everything related to Chrome's functionality. Now, on the left side of the settings page, you'll see a navigation panel with several categories. Look for and click on Privacy and Security. This section is crucial because it controls how Chrome handles sensitive permissions and data, including access to your camera and microphone. Within the Privacy and Security section, find and click on Site Settings. This is where Chrome manages permissions for all websites, allowing you to control what different sites can and cannot access on your device. Once you're in Site Settings, scroll down until you see the Permissions section. This area contains all the different types of access that websites might request from you. Inside this section, locate and click on Camera. This opens up the camera-specific settings page. On the camera settings page, you'll notice a drop-down menu near the top. Click on this drop-down to reveal a list of available camera devices connected to your computer. Select the camera device you want to use for websites that request camera access. Right below the drop-down, you'll see radio button options. Click on the radio button next to Site can ask to use your camera. This setting allows websites to request permission before accessing your camera, giving you control over when and where your camera is used. Now, navigate back to the main permission section by clicking the back arrow or selecting Site Settings again from the left panel. This time, locate and click on Microphone. Just like with the camera, this opens the microphone-specific settings. On the microphone settings page, you'll see another drop-down menu. Click on it and choose your preferred microphone device from the available options. This ensures Chrome knows which microphone to use when websites request audio access. Finally, click the radio button next to Site can ask to use your microphone. This grants websites the ability to request microphone permission, but only when you explicitly allow it, maintaining your privacy and control. And that's it. You've successfully configured Chrome to allow camera and microphone permissions while keeping control over which sites can actually access them. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.